Hello everybody, welcome back. As well, we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on LinkedIn, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter what you would do, you're gonna go ahead first access your LinkedIn app on your mobile phone. Let's go to our home section over here. Once you have done so, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon first, so I can sign out first. For the matter, I'll go ahead and sign out first, and once I've done so, I can find this kind of interface, right? So I will tap on this option called sign in using another account, where it will shows at the login login interface, where it will show once you have tapped on your app. So as usual, if you have, so the easy way for you to simply create your account with existing accounts that you have, so you don't have to add all of the information once again. For example, with Google, I have created my account with Google. If I tap on it, my account will simply get logged in without me adding any of the information, or same goes with the Facebook as well. And if you have your Apple ID, that also the same case. If that's not the case, you can go ahead and enter your email or phone that you create your account with over here, and then you will enter the password that you created while creating your account itself. Once you tap on it, if you tap on this remember me option, and next time if you tap on your app, you don't have to again enter your information. Tap on this continue and you will be able to get logged into your account like that. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.